Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Gone Rogue, and it's a green light, and we're gonna go to Fullerton. I think I broke my turn signal. Oh no, today we are gonna talk about, today we're going to talk about my fall semester 2014 at Cal State Fullerton. And here's one sentence to describe it. It's not great, but not bad. It's just good. I mean, you can't go wrong with a 3.5 GPA. And I feel lucky to have a 3.5 GPA for the fall semester in 2014. The reason being is that I got lucky in one class on the final exam, and it was a miracle. My turn signal is broken. If you can see the tick. It's doing it multiple times. And sorry for the view if you can't see for the sun. Where was I? Alright. I got lucky in one class and I needed there was no way that I'm gonna get an A minus. The only possible way that I was going to get is a B+, but somehow I got an A- because I probably scored 100 out of 100 on the final exam. Probably my professor was very generous on the extra credit part on the exam. So that was just luck, and it's a green arrow. I hope I don't get lost in this. State College. Alright, this is State College. So my left turn signal is crazy, while the right turn signal is being normal, acting normal. Alright. Shoot, I forgot. Gotta stay on my left. See? Every time I activate my left turn signal, it goes crazy. I don't know why, but I don't know how to fix it. If you know how to fix your turn signals, please comment in the comment section below. So, 2 A's and 2 B's. It could have been worse. I could have gotten 1 A and 3 B's, which is not what I was looking for. Before the semester started, where I have registered my classes, I was expecting 3 A's and 1 B. And was I expecting too much out of myself? Probably not, because in this one class, in my American Studies 395 California Cultures class, I ended with an 88.9, just 1% away from that A-, and I blew it. I let it slip out of my hand, and it still it hurts. Coming short on not the final exam, but the points that you earn throughout the semester is not enough, and you fell short, and it hurts. Beast mode activated, going uphill. So, sorry for the sunlight if it's hurting your eyes. If it hurting your eyes, that would suck. Anyway, that And 2 of my other classes were based on projects. I can't complain, but yeah, I deserved the grade I got. So, in conclusion, this is a beautiful view right here. Going downhill, and you can see the whole county, Orange County, on top of the view when you're watching this video. Going downhill. This is fun. It's good for my miles per gallon. Everybody's on their brakes while I'm not tapping the brakes. So we're almost there. This is late in the afternoon, by the way. And we're gonna go to Fullerton and go to the rec center. So, green light, no cars. These lanes are small. Alright. So, 703. So this is probably a good way to end the video. And please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Like this video and share with a friend. And I'll see you on the next episode of Gone Rogue. Thank you for watching Gone Rogue.